Easiest way to take a screenshot in HDRP or URP, or even built-in, to use screen capture from Mana behavior. Create C# file and name it to screenshot. We define that when Y button is pressed, it takes a picture of the screen. You can take quickly with capture screenshot. Or you can do screenshot in texture 2D or render texture. Type the file name for the first parameter. If the file exists already, it will be overwritten. And on mobile platforms, the file name is appended to the persistent data path. Second parameter is supersize. When supersize parameter is more than 1, a larger resolution screenshot will be produced. This is useful to produce screenshots for printing. Let's look at the more advanced method in next video, which also allows for the more interesting use cases.